Hey, what's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video on the Snap-on tool review. Today we got something a little bit different for you. I get this question a lot, so I figured I would actually just make a video on it. I know it's not automotive repair or tool related, but it is something that I do take quite seriously, and it's really how to grow a YouTube channel, and more importantly, how to grow a YouTube channel on a budget. Welcome back. So anyway, some of you may or may not know that I film my YouTube on my phone. So I do pretty much everything on a really small budget as to well, have more money for tools. So I'm going to take you through a few things that I use on my daily routine to shooting, editing, posting a YouTube video onto YouTube. So let's get into it. All right, so I get this question a lot. Obviously, I'm going to start off with basically I shoot my all my videos on an iPhone 7 Plus. You're going to hear my dogs in the background, and that's okay. I picked 7 Plus basically because it has a fantastic camera. It has an amazing operating system that's really, really easy to use. It also comes with iMovie, which is a great app to use. It's very simple, it's very user-friendly, it's very easy to use. Since then, since I started my channel and I grew my channel with nothing but my iPhone 7 Plus, I started out with my 6, and then it wasn't very long, it was probably about a month or two that I went to a 7 Plus, and thanks Apple for actually making me money. So everything is shot and sometimes, well, for the most part, up until recently, has been edited through my iPhone. Now, sound quality is a huge importance to me. Sometimes I probably didn't start off with the best sound quality, and I still don't have the best sound quality, but improving is one of those things that I think every YouTube channel goes through. And I ended up, let's see here, I ended up getting a wireless mic setup, and that was really important to me because I wanted to be able to leave my camera stationary and walk around the shop and do whatever and film my videos and not have to be tied to a microphone. I started out with a wired lav mic for my phone, but I went quickly to the wireless mic setup. Now what I use is a setup called Boya. This is a wireless mic setup, takes 2 AA batteries. It runs somewhere around $100. Correct me if I'm wrong. I will leave the links in the description to everything that I use. So there you got the transmitter and the receiver, and this sits on my, the receiver sits on my my tripod, which is just a cheap tripod. I think I picked it up in it's got to be about 10 years ago at a Value Village. So I paid next to nothing for this thing. What holds my camera is literally a selfie stick attachment with the spring-loaded attachment on it. I'll put a picture in it. I'll put a picture up here for you guys to see it. And I basically buy the selfie sticks for like $2. I throw the selfie stick away and I keep the attachment. That's the spring-loaded thing that holds the phone. Because it fits onto my tripod mount. So, so this sits on my tripod and this sits on me. And then I have the wireless mic, or it's just a wired lav mic, and then this plugs into here, and that gives me my audio. In previous things that I have done, I have recorded on a separate phone. I have recorded the audio on a separate phone and then transferred it to iMovie, and then put the audio and the video together, and that's how I've done that before. Not a big deal. It works, but it's a lot of work. So that's wireless mic. Recently, I bought this. This is my DJI phone gimbal, and this thing here is a powered motor. That it's a phone stabilizer. So I haven't shot it with it. I haven't shot with it too many times. I've done it a few times. You may not have even noticed. But what this does have is an app through DJI that has facial recognition. So what this is going to allow me to do is leave this on my tripod. The tripod mount is right here. And I can recognize my face through the app and then walk around and have this thing literally just go fucking like this and follow me around. So not only that, it gives you really, really stable video. This here retails for about $199 US. The prices are going to drop obviously because DJI Mobile, or the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 has just been released, and well, not very good reviews on it, but this one's actually better, to tell you the truth. And then on top of that, I went out and I bought myself a MacBook Air. So just recently, I had a family member pass away in the family, left me a couple dollars, and that was one of the things that I did for myself, was went out and I bought a MacBook. Again, you do not need this to start and maintain a YouTube channel. This is something that I did to progress my channel a little bit further. I do still use 100% iMovie to do everything. What this allows me to do is use AirDrop, so I can film a video on my phone, send it directly to my laptop, and edit everything through iMovie. Fantastic, great way to do it. There's a little bit more features through iMovie on the iMac than there is, or on the MacBook, than there is through the phone. So basically why I went ahead and did that. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Just a couple little tools that I use to film, edit, and post my YouTube videos. Obviously, I post online through my my laptop now. I used to post through my my phone. Super easy to do. YouTube app is very, very user friendly to post videos and all that kind of stuff. So on top of hours and hours and hours of editing and man time it takes to actually maintain a YouTube channel, that's a different story, and for a video for another day, if you guys wish, I can go through that whole thing with you. So by all means, leave comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys do, what you shoot on, what you edit with, and all that kind of stuff on a budget, because it's nice for other people to know that you can actually grow a YouTube channel with very, very minimal resources. So I think it's one of those things that, you know, as my channel progresses, it may or may not get better quality or worse quality. Hopefully it doesn't, but I hope as a YouTube content creator, we try to always push forward and get better content for you guys. And of course, the YouTube revenue goes towards that. The Patreon page goes towards that kind of stuff. And anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to check me out on Patreon, Instagram, Facebook, this Facebook Collectors. I'm always there. So remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.